Okay, I've got a mic hooked up to this thing for the first time, doing a screen record. As you see, I'm out at the beach. I'm going to do a range test. Hopefully there's no interference out there. See how far this little guy will go. I got the DJI MINI3 PRO with the extended battery. So let's take it up, do some recording and distance test. I'm going to do a hand launch because I'm on the beach. I don't want the dirt getting in the little guy. Sand, whatever. Okay. Let's go. I'm in normal mode, full stick forward. I'm gonna give it some height. That's I don't know what the ocean life will do with this thing. I've already had 2 bird attacks flying it around earlier. They didn't really attack it, they just were checking it out. There's a lot of low aircraft in the area. More than I'm used to seeing. So I don't want to go too high. Most I'm going to take it is to maybe 200 feet if I need to. Looks like I'm holding fine at 8 feet. Still got a decent signal. I imagine when I post this, I'm going to fast forward through most of it. Still learning the editing. Coming along pretty good. What are we, 22 miles an hour. I'm in normal mode. Check some of the analytics here. Transmission. Control. Battery info. I had a problem yesterday flying in this weather, in this heat, in sport mode where the batteries were overheating, so that's why I'm checking that now. Normal mode seems to be doing fine. That's kind of warm there. But awesome voltage. I like that it shows the number of times that this battery's been cycled. I'm on the 5th cycle with this battery. Don't need a geo unlock. Don't need to find my drone just yet. I don't think I would, even if it did go down. I don't want to be on this screen. I don't want to do an emergency shut off right now. That would be horrible. We're still holding at about 8 feet. I'm going to turn the hotspot on my phone so we can get the Wi-Fi signal. See if what kind of maps will pop up. Hotspot's not on. There we go. Now I can go to this menu, turn the Wi-Fi on. It should auto connect. What's that? Why is it giving the question mark? Oh, yeah, we're connected. Good. Let's get out of here. Alright, that's good. What? It's on return to home. Why is it not return to home? That was not very good range. Okay, I'm going to cancel the return to home, see if I can get more out of it. I don't like that at all. I've got good signal. I guess it dropped while I wasn't looking. Okay, we're at 95 feet. Gonna continue straight out. Kind of a dull place to do a range test. No wonder none of the other YouTubers do that over the ocean. Looks like it's shallow still out there. I'm almost 2 miles out. Probably not. Bring it up a little. I'm expecting to get at least 3 miles out of this before it starts fitting on me. I've done it in areas, I've gotten 3 miles with this drone in areas that have a lot of Wi-Fi interference. Battery's holding out great. I still got 82%. Battery on the remote's kind of low, so I'm losing signal already. Did you see that? Starting to drop. Alright, stop. Let's go up. Let's go up. See if we can increase that range. Ooh. Alright. See that? Wow, it is not happy. Come on, let's go up. We're not going much higher than that. I keep saying that and then I do it anyways. We've got our 2 miles. Watching that signal, I had no idea. I'm not moving. I'm not changing the direction of the remote. I'm pointing just straight out from the shore. See, I'm tilting the controller some, see if I can get that to improve any. I'm going parallel to the ground with it, and that didn't work. Tilt it up a little. Yeah, I'm just losing it. Are we going to get that 3 mile mark? I don't think so. am I not level with the ocean? Why is it flying crooked? Oh, maybe it's fighting wind. We can get that 3 mile mark, I think. Oh, look, the signal came back strong. Ah! Nice! Still 73% battery, so battery's not going to bring it back. It's going to be a loose signal to bring it back. Usually when I do these range tests, especially with the Mini 2, the battery runs out before I lose signal. We're over 3 miles now. Still going, still pushing it. Full stick forward. Wow. As long as that holds, I mean, we're getting down still. Come on, little guy. Getting weak signal. I'm not going over the 390. Okay, we have to come down a little. That's too high. Stay there. Yeah, stay there. I think that's going to be about it. Oh! Where you at? Down under 70%. It's trying. Looks like it's going to be a little under this 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers. By, you know, a couple miles. Ooh, got signals back again. No, it was. I don't know. I don't know how far we're going to get it. Let me go up on the beach a little bit. Let's get a little higher ground, see if that helps. Yeah, I turned around, so it's throwing a bit now. Okay, there we go. No, hold on. What are you doing? Stop. Cancel. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Turn back out. Go. Yeah, I only turned around for a half second to climb this little hill here on the beach. Looks like it didn't help with my signal though. That's good. I lost it completely just by turning around, just by not pointing at the drone. We see that 4 mile mark. Nice. Still got decent. Oh, it did. In and out. Wow. Maybe the battery will conk out before the range is gone. I'm not going to go any lower than 50%. So literally just took off and, well, you guys saw it, took off and headed straight out. And we've got a couple of those auto return to homes that affected the battery too. So they were in the yellow on the battery now. Hold on, I'm going to cancel this. Cancel. Let's go a little bit more. Maybe we can get that 5-mile mark. Still got good signal. Boy, it's yelling at me. You know what? I'm going to bring it back. I am really kind of freaked out right now. I'm not going to push it to 5 miles. And I'm starting to get some sprinkles on me, so yeah, but let's come home. Hey, let's land. Did I go out at an angle? It didn't feel like I was going out at an angle. Okay. Well, what was that? 2,400 feet? Or 24,000 feet? Sorry. Pretty dope. Put up the map while this comes back. That was almost parallel to the shore. Ooh, look at how far. Oh God, that's freaky just to see. Got 50% I was worried about, but we're already on the way back. Let's see where we're at distance wise. Okay, getting close to 3 miles. No thunder. We don't want thunder right now. Florida. See that's I'm standing right underneath those clouds right there. So yeah, we got a small little thunder cloud coming in. I'd say thunderstorm, but it's not doing nothing. It's just rumbling. First time using this mic, so if the audio quality sucks, sorry. Coming back. A small note, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is the beach where we put my dad's ashes about 20 years ago. I got out in the water and kind of communed with my father there a little bit earlier. Tested the active track on the DJI MINI3 PRO, which was phenomenal. It followed me the whole time I was in the water. It even kind of dodged some of the seagulls and whatever. There was pelicans that flew by looking like U.S. bombers. They just kind of ignored it, flew right by it. I think it got them on the camera. I'm not sure. I'll post that video too. You can see my little skinny butt swimming around in the water. Okay, we're coming up on the 2-mile mark. So there's that. I think I'm gonna go in, land and grab something to eat. I'm hungry. See if I can find a restaurant around here somewhere. Oh, you know what? I can do that right now. What's over here? Will it show me businesses? I don't know if this map will show me businesses. Oh, maybe. There's bathrooms and... yeah, I think it might. What do we got here? Buff Square Shops. Yeah, how about that? Frozen yogurt place. Looks like residential there. Yeah, we're not too far. Thought I saw Publix right by here. It's a local grocery chain, East Coast grocery chain. For anybody that doesn't know what a Publix is. I'm gonna go back to the drone. Let's see what we got. Alright, we're coming under 2 miles. It seems really slow when it's coming back. Going out seems a lot faster. It's actually going faster now than it did on the way out. Oh great, there's birds between me and the drone. Hopefully they keep going. Yeah, keep going, birds. You don't want to have nothing to do with this. Leave my drone alone. Why can't we all just get along? I can't even see the pier yet, can I? Let's do some zoom. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. I'm like, oh, it doesn't let me. That's right, when it's okay. DJI, you need to update the firmware for the DJI MINI3 PRO so that way you can rotate it when it's on the return to home like you can with the Mini 2. You did it recently with the Mini 2 about 6 months ago. You need to do it again for the Mini 3 Pro. That has to be done. I like when I'm a return to home, I can look around. I can't do that with this drone. I mean, it lets you zoom. I guess that's something, but and tilt the gimbal, but you cannot fly sideways with it when it's on return to home. Maybe that's why. Maybe because it doesn't want the obstacle. The obstacle avoidance does not work sideways, so that might be why why they're not allowing this drone to do that on its return to home. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to leave it there. I'll fast forward through the rest of this in post. Mile mark. Dude, back up there. Don't go critically low on me. Coming from over here. There he is. No, you're not supposed to go critically low. Come here. Now. Scare the hell out of me when you do this. You know that, right? Come on. Come on. Lady was checking me out. Okay, setting down. Hope you guys liked that one. I thought it was kind of neat.